Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty, from the best skincare to top-rated hair tools. If you're looking for an easy way to cut hair at home, Conair's Simple Cut 12-piece haircut kit could be exactly what you need. This kit is all about giving you a professional cut from the comfort of your home. It's a 12-piece set, complete with everything you need to create a clean, smooth haircut for yourself or your family. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, it's designed to make the process simpler. Included in the set are 6 comb attachments, allowing you to control the length and style with precision. This is key if you want to achieve a variety of haircuts, whether you're going for a buzz cut or a bit more length on top. You also get a barber comb, barber scissors, blade guard, cleaning brush, and oil. Basically, everything you'd need for proper maintenance and smooth operation. I tested the Simple Cut kit myself, and I can say that the clippers glide through hair with ease. It was surprisingly comfortable to hold, and the noise level wasn't too loud. Definitely important if you're trying to keep it calm at home. The clippers are lightweight, but still feel sturdy enough to give a solid, even cut. In terms of performance, it's definitely a reliable option for at-home use. The range of comb attachments gives you flexibility, and the blades stay sharp, cutting through different hair types without snagging. I also appreciated how easy it was to clean the clippers and keep them in top shape with the included oil and brush. Pros: easy to use, even for beginners. Comes with everything you need to maintain and style hair. Multiple comb attachments for different lengths and styles. Lightweight and comfortable design. Affordable compared to professional cuts. Cons: it may not be powerful enough for thicker hair types or frequent use. Lacks advanced features like adjustable speed or cord-free operation. When it comes to value for money, Conair's Simple Cut haircut kit is pretty solid. For the price, you're getting a well-rounded set that covers all the basic grooming needs without breaking the bank. If you're not looking for anything too fancy, but still want something reliable for home use, this definitely fits the bill. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more premium experience, you might want to check out brands like Wall or Andis. They tend to offer more advanced features and can handle thicker hair with ease, but they come at a higher price point. However, if you're just starting out or you need a basic, no-fuss set, this Conair kit holds up well. As far as build quality goes, the plastic housing feels a little on the lighter side, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The clippers seem durable, though I'd recommend storing them properly to prolong their lifespan. For occasional home cuts, you're likely to get good mileage out of these. Overall, the ConairMAN Simple Cut 12-piece haircut kit delivers on its promise of making at-home haircuts more manageable. It's a solid, affordable option for anyone wanting to trim or maintain their hair without heading to the barber every few weeks. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.